Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making total Czech retro classic egg fritter sandwiches. Simple ingredients, old school vibes, and honestly still amazing. Let's start with the main ingredient, eggs. I'm cracking 6 to 7 eggs straight into a jar with a lid. Way easier than a bowl and less dishes, always a win. Add a little water. This keeps the mixture lighter and helps everything blend really smoothly. Next is baking powder. This is the secret for fluffier egg fritters, not flat egg pancakes. You don't need much, just enough to give them that nice lift. Now breadcrumbs. They add texture and help create a lightly crispy outside when frying. It's not about making them dry, just giving the egg fritters a little bite, add that classic retro feel. Season with salt and black pepper. Like always, start light. You can always add more later. These are simple flavors, so you really want the eggs to shine, not be overpowered. Close the jar really tight and shake, shake, shake. This is my favorite part. No whisk, no mess. Just shake until everything is fully combined and nice and smooth. You want consistent mixture, no streaks, no lumps. Basically one happy egg situation. Heat a little cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. You don't want it screaming hot, just warm enough. The oil should gently shimmer, so the eggs fry evenly and don't soak it all up. Pour in enough egg mixture to cover the whole pan. When the bottom is done or almost done, the edges will start turning golden brown. You can gently lift it and check the bottom yourself. When it looks set and lightly golden, flip it over and let the other side cook just until done. You are not looking for dark color here, just soft inside and lightly golden outside. When both sides are done, transfer them onto a plate. Let them cool slightly, they will firm up just enough. We are not slicing these, just folding them in half later, so short rest makes them easier to handle and keeps them nice and fluffy. That's a nice pile, right? While they'll cool, prep your veggies, fresh ones or even from a jar. Both work great. Place slices of bread on a board or a big plate. Then take your mustard and spread it all over each slice. Don't be shy with it. This is where a lot of the flavor comes from. That little tang really balances the eggs and veggies perfectly, and it also keeps the bread from tasting dry. Fold each egg fritter in half, no cutting, just simple fold. Then place one right on top of each slice of bread. They should fit perfectly, like they were made for it. Now for the fun part, toppings. This is where you can really experiment. You can go with just fresh veggies, or keep it simple and use only pickled ones, or honestly just mix everything together. There are no rules here. Red onion, tomatoes, pickles, roasted peppers, whatever you like, whatever you have. The more color, the better it looks, and somehow it always tastes amazing anyway. Finish it off with spring onions on top, and that's it. Simple, messy, and absolutely delicious. These egg fritter sandwiches are great for breakfast, dinner, or anytime you want something simple and comforting. If you are planning to reheat them the next day, store just the egg fritters in the fridge, covered. When you are ready to eat, warm up the fritters first, then finish everything fresh, bread, mustard, and veggies. That way nothing gets soggy and the flavors stay right. Fresh toppings always win here. What would you put on top? More fresh, more pickled, or both? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and follow Simply Food Recipes.